Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from none other than scrapbook.com. I call myself being really good on Black Friday, not shopping, but my friends, they took me down the slippery slope. No, anyway, so I want to say thank you for stopping by my channel, checking out my video. Hope you have an awesome day and blessed time with your family. I don't know when I'll put this up. Been so busy, been making videos, but not putting them up. But anyway, so I needed some Archival Ranger ink because all the Michaels stay out of them now. The Joann's, I cannot find the size. I have the large one. I wanted a small one. Cannot find them anywhere. The ink is just like, no. So I ordered it from them. And let me get this big stuff out of the way first. So we're on Zoom, and I ordered 3 of these sets, so 6 altogether. We were talking about storage. You know how it always is at the beginning of the year. You know, you want to redo, reshape, organize. And so they had these on sale, which was a really good price. It was 2 for the price of 1. And these are the ink storages. They came in white or clear. I ended up getting clear. I debated which ones to get, but I got these. They owed 18, and so I have a total of 6 of these all together. And you can put ink, you can put your dauber in there, you can do a couple other things, so different size inks and stuff. So boom. And so I'll be able to set them up. We even talked about using command strips on the back and hanging them on the wall. But yeah, so you can come this in clear or in white, just like this. But I ended up getting the clear. And so I have 6 of those. Now I'm doing my oxides and some of my distressings. And hopefully that's enough to cover all them. And then they had these on sale, 2 for 1 as well. And these, of course, you can use like for your Project Life cards. It looks mighty small right here. But it sells a 3x4, but mighty. So this is actually just cardboard. I thought it was wood, but I would have got acrylic if I didn't know this was cardboard. But it's a sturdy cardboard, don't get me wrong, but I probably would have got acrylic. Well, actually, I take that back. This did not come in the acrylic. So this one is 3 inches. You would not be able to get, I don't see how you would be able to get a card in here. This dimensions are mighty narrow. I don't have anything in front of me 3 inches. Do I have anything? I have an ATC. That's 2.5 by 5, but I mean it's tight. That's 2.5 by 5. It kind of snug. But anyway, so 2 of these. This came with some color dividers, and I just thought I could use different stuff. Use this with different stuff. I don't know why I read the dimensions, but I did think it was going to be something with a bit wider. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, so these are the dividers. They go back here. Apparently, they don't go in here. I don't know, I was thinking it would go on both sides, but I guess only here. But anyway, they came with these color dividers and labels so you can section off stuff and organize stuff. So I just thought it might be something to put around the room to organize, just some different little trinkets, and it was on good price. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have got it right now because I didn't use it. But beginning of the year, you always want to, at the beginning of the year, say, hey, I'm going to organize. So, what do you want? Sorry about that. My grandson came in. Anyway, so I ended up getting me some more simple stories. I love stencils when it comes to scrapbooking. It just makes it simple. I scrap lift and I just use the templates. I make life easy. Alright, so this is, they all out of order. So I guess there's no number 6 in here. Because I think 6 didn't have one. Or something. One of the numbers was missing. So this is number 7, all 2x2s. And I believe this is an 8x8 size. Yep, 8x8. And that's number 7. And then number 8 is this one, 9x9. Number 10, no, here's number 9. So 4x6 and 4x4s. Number 10, 4x4 and 3x4s. Number 11, 3x4s and 3x3s. And then this one, 4x4 by 2x2s. Yes, I can cut that out by myself, but it's nice for placements when you want to put stuff on your page and hold your spot. It's great. I like those little templates and stuff. And speaking of that, I got the square, which is 4x6, 4x4, 3x4, 3x3, and 2x2. These are clear, put them on a key ring, but these are little mats, and I already have a set of these that I got from Creative Memories, but I got another set from them, and they have the circle. Same thing, these are 2, 2.5, 3, 2.5, and 4, so that you know where to place them on your mat and hold your spot, or if you want to trace and cut your picture to that size, you can do that as well. And what else did I get? Oh, here's a small one. First, I thought I had some small ones. Let's go with this right here. Okay. Look, they don't fit. Like, what kind of... Okay, yes they do. Are you going to get upset? Anyway, so you can color coordinate and label different things that you want to stick in here. So that's why I got that. All right. Then, what else did I get? Oh. Then I just got one. They had a whole bunch of them, but I only got one. It was said with stamps. And this is beautiful. I like the sentiments with it. And it comes with etched die. So again, you know, it comes with the strips so you can cut out the strips. And this is by Photoplay. And then it came with one big word, beautiful, and the shadow. And again, everything was on sale, so you can use them independently or you can use them together. So this is what the sentiments on this one says. You have such a spirit smile. You are heart, wishing you a. You make life day. Remember that you are. There are so many reasons to be happy, just the way you are. A smile is the most accessory you can wear. Do you know how? Destinations. You are. Life is. When one has a grateful heart, life is. You are strong, kind, smart, and love hour. Days are ahead. Inside and out. Birthday. A life together. Collect memories. How difficult roads lead to. I miss you. Face. You are in moments. So you can mix and match these not only with this set of stamps and dies, but with the other sets in the collection. And I believe it was like maybe 8 different ones. Here's an example how that looks like this. I know, so it's happy, beautiful. I can't even remember all the other ones, but I just got this set. So the big beautiful goes with that one, and then these goes with that. So I thought I'd try that out. So that was my order, and then of course, you know, they always give you some goodies. So it depends on when you do it, you get different stuff. So this, I didn't even order this, so it must came free. I don't even remember clicking this one as an option. Why did I order this? Nor did I click it in my thing. So that's kind of interesting that I got that. That must have been a free gift. But yeah, but anyway, so it was Simple Stories, and this one has Hello December and document, and you got a tree gifts and some poinsettias. So yeah, so that had to be a freebie, but it wasn't. I didn't check that off as my freebie. This I remember was my freebie. By Paper Roses, yes, and this was the border die. It's called Berry Border Metal Die, right? And then this I knew was a freebie, and this was a collection of paper. And I will show you what that looks like. It looks like it repeats itself. It's 24 6x6, 3 designs. Oh, it's 3 designs each, but this actually is it's like a different pad of paper. than the one that I saw. Actually, it's 1 and 3. And it said 3 of each of 8 designs. So actually, it's 1, 2, 6 of that design. And maybe that's why they gave it to you, because it didn't match what it said it was going to do. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry about that lighting. I meant to cut the other light on. Alright, so 6 of this design. But this is not even the same paper pad. Because the one I had, this one had solid paper. It was reds and greens, but I thought it had solid. I don't know. I don't know. It's been a minute. So many promotionals that was coming out, but neither one. Just that looks so good. And the magazine. This paper pad. I know it's getting 6x6, but it doesn't look like the same one. But I don't need any more 6x6. I would give that to someone. And then this is the magazine, which of course, inspiration. Nice magazine, and it has sketches. 101 ideas for fall, and Boss Like a Boss. Fall color ideas to shake things up. That's a nice layout. And always, talks about different tools in here. I mean, it's so nice to give you these magazines for free. And it's nice to have them in there, but I don't use them enough, but I love having them. I'm gonna need to find something. They got, different things in here. It's a colorful banner. So that is what I have from scrapbook.com. So appreciate you taking the time to stop by and checking out my little haul. All the little different stuff that I got. And so I will be labeling all my inks and putting them all together. So that'll be a nice project for me while I'm home. Anyway, so thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing. And have safe holidays. I don't know what day this will be up, but have safe, wonderful holidays. Spend time with your family. That's what's most important. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye. And I dare you to be creative.